Hello guys, today I'm gonna talk about the indicator called Relative Vigor Index. As you can see here, I'm on tradingview.com. I'm gonna go here, indicators and strategies, Relative Vigor Index, and I also gonna add a moving average to avoid some bad entries. The moving average, we're gonna use the 21 moving average, 21 period. Basically the way this indicator works is two lines crossing. So if the green line is above the red line, we're gonna go for a long, and if the red line is above the green line, we're gonna go for a short. And the way we're gonna filter bad entries is if the price is above the moving average, we're gonna just search for longs, and if the price is below the moving average, we're just gonna go for shorts. Also, we're gonna ignore like massive candles like this one when the massive candle cross, because usually this candle is gonna give us bad entries. So let's say we start here and we go for our first entry. This is the chart of the US 30. So we have a cross here, but we cannot go because we are under the moving average, and then we are just gonna go in here. Now this is really important. Maybe you're gonna put your stop loss under this candle, or maybe under the level, but this is too much. And what's gonna be your take profit? Always look to the left and see previous levels where the price was. As you can see here, this high, as you can see, easy 6R, so you risk 1%, you make 6%. So what you're gonna do next, you're gonna wait, you're gonna look for longs. Here you have an entry, and we're gonna go for a long. Where gonna be my stop loss? Under this candle. And where I'm gonna target? Here I could target this high here, but this is just 0.7 R, so risk to reward. So I'm gonna put a 2, because I don't have another levels here, so I really need to guess where the price is gonna go. Here maybe you think, okay, let's go for a short, but as I told you, look at the size of these candles, go from here to here, so it's a good idea to wait. Then we're gonna look for shorts, but we don't have any short here. Now we're gonna look for longs, but we are also under the moving average, so we wait. And here you have up and down. Here we don't go for long. Look at the size of this candle, is bigger than all these candles. So where we go for long? Here. But here it's not a good entry. So here we go. No. I think this would be a loss, because we're gonna put our stop loss here and then we end up losing. So this one is a loss, we lose 1%. And then we wait for a long. And here we don't go for short because this is too big, so we stay outside of the market. And here we go for a long. You can see here is above. You have a entry here, and where you put our stop loss? Below the candle here, and we're gonna get stopped immediately. Would you go for another trade here? Let me see. Nope. And this candle is too big. Okay, we lost 1, 2 trades in a row, but we make here 6 and we make 2, so 8 minus 2, 6. We don't go for a short here because massive candle. We wait, we don't go here also. because Relative Vigor Index is telling us to go in. Here you have a big candle. Also you have a big candle here, so we don't go. But this candle here, you can accept to go, because look, it's much smaller than these ones. And also it's good that you go long here. Why? Because we actually have a level here, so we can target the level. And let's say you really go for this level and you make 4.5% roughly, so then you're gonna look for longs again. Here we don't go for longs. Okay, let's go for a long on this candle here, where we put our stop in the end of this candle. And here we cannot target this high because it's 1.5. Let's target 2R. So you would close here with the profit. And as you can see, you just keep going doing this. I think this is a profitable strategy. Here you don't go for a long on these candles, but here you can go for another. No. I think you just go for a long here and you lose. But I think this strategy is really cool. You just need to test it on the different way. Maybe you add another indicators and you backtest on Forex, maybe on stocks, and you keep going until you find a way that it works. So see you on the next video. Please like and subscribe.